What's up, you guys? It's your girl Maya and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'll be doing a Ulta haul, and this is like a two-part haul. I went shopping yesterday and then I went shopping again today. So some of it is out of the packaging and some of it is still in the packaging, so don't trip. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got. It's some makeup and some skincare pieces and a few hair pieces here and there. So let me know what you guys are excited to see me try out in future videos, and comment down below if you've tried any of these things and let me know how you like them. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so I'm gonna go over, I think, the stuff I bought yesterday first. So I'm gonna start off with, I got this Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and of course I've opened it up. Get a look-see. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try some looks out. These looks are perfect for like summer and just like any colorful look, like these purples. I love purple, you guys, and it's so hard, seems like it, to find palettes with purple shades in them, and this does have a good amount of purple shades, so I really can't wait to try this out. Next, I got Morphe Beauty Blender, one of these angled ones. I really don't even use those for like concealer or foundation. I only use my sponges for powder, so funny thing. Some more Morphe stuff. I got this Morphe concealer, the Morphe Fluidity. I hope I'm saying that right. Full coverage concealer in the shade C3.55 soft matte. So I got that right there. Oh yeah, by the way, this isn't like all the stuff I'm showing in the video isn't everything that I bought when I went shopping, because I bought like a lot of stuff for clients that I do with makeup. I do makeup on freelance, so I bought a bunch of stuff for them, but this is just what I got for me, so that's all I wanted to like put on the video, because if I put all that in the video, this video would be way too long. So I also got the Morphe primer, the foundation primer, and this is the Equalizer primer. I love this primer, you guys. I swear by it. There's so many other primers that like leave your face like feeling kind of greasy, or you feel like there's a lot of oil in it or something. I don't know, it just doesn't feel like it's like just mattifying your face. This does. So next I got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm sorry, yeah, like I said, all this stuff is unboxed. I took it out the box already. I've heard so many great things about this foundation, you guys. I cannot wait to try it. I am in the shade, okay, well actually I don't know what shade I am, because you know, like none of the makeup stores you can really test the shades out on yourself. So I'm really just gonna, you know, keep my receipt and apply this. But honestly, if it doesn't work for me, I'll probably just keep it to use on a client that it'll work for, so whatever. This is the shade Spiced Rum. I haven't tried it out yet, so even though I took it out the box, I haven't tried it. So I'm really excited to give this a try. I hope this shade matches me. I just tried to watch like YouTube videos of other people using it and try to like match myself to them and see like, are we the same? You know, since I couldn't like swatch it on myself or anything. So that's what I did, and hopefully it's a match. Next I got this NYX blush, and this is in the shade Bang Bang. It seems pretty nice. It seems like seems hard to open. Wow, it really doesn't want to open. I'm risking the nails for this. Okay, I got it. Super cute, loving it. I got another one, but I don't know where I put it. I think I put it like away with my client makeup, so whatever. I have this one in Bang Bang. I stopped by the pattern line and picked up a few things, so I'm just gonna show you what I got. Starting off, I'm gonna show you the conditioners. So I got the little child size ones because I've seen a lot of mixed videos, I'm not gonna lie. I've seen a lot of mixed videos about this stuff, you guys. Like, some people love it, some people hate it. I really don't know what to do. So I don't mind supporting just because she's a black woman out there creating things catered to other black women. In the beauty world, that is very limited. So I think it's important for people to support her regardless. Okay, so enough rambling. I got the trial size conditioners, and in there came the intensive conditioner, the heavy conditioner, and the medium conditioner. I gave the medium conditioner to my mom because she has like a looser curl pattern, like 4A type of hair, or like 3C really. So I gave it to her, and I'm gonna try out the intensive and the heavy, and I don't know which one's gonna work better. I don't know if there's a difference. I'm just gonna give it a try and we're gonna see, okay? Another thing from Pattern that I got is the Pattern Edge Control. So the Edge Control Swoop and Stay as You Slay. If you wanna know, it's like a real like paste. It's like a paste, like a gel mixed with the paste type of consistency, like a pomade. Next from Pattern, I got a few tools, and they're out of the packaging. I'm sorry, I took them out, and that's like the first thing I do when I go shopping. I take tags and get boxes and all that stuff out of the way. I have this Denman brush, or whatever you call it, from Pattern. Hey. Can never have too many of those, right? And then I also got the pick, you guys, and it comes with this little case, and it's velvet. The case is velvet, and this is the pick. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It makes me think of Mickey Mouse. I used to like Mickey Mouse when I was growing up, so this is so cute. Moving on, I have some skincare. So I'm gonna go through and show you what skincare products I got. Starting off with the basic Witch Hazel. This is Thayer's, or however you say that word. Witch Hazel, this is astringent aloe vera formula, original. I keep it simple. I don't like all those different flavors. Keep it simple. So also I got some Dermalogica products. I love Dermalogica. I've actually tried this one out before. This is the Daily Microfoliant by Dermalogica, and it's really cool, you guys. You guys should look up videos, other videos on here of this product. Like Jackie Aina, she did a whole video on skincare with Dermalogica. Like, definitely check it out. That's where I got this recommendation from. But definitely check it out. I love it. I'm not gonna do like a whole, I mean, if you guys want to see a skincare routine, definitely let me know. I can do that. I just never thought I'd be one of those people like trying to give skincare advice, because I've had problems with my skin so much growing up and in high school. Like, I had acne. I have acne prone skin and oily skin. It has gotten a lot better like since then, but I got these products so that I could kind of have that flawless skin. You know, that's what I want. I want that milky smooth milk chocolate flawless skin. So I got this, and then I also got the Dermalogica Active Clay Cleanser. OMG. I went to an esthetician and I got a facial a few weeks ago, and she recommended clay cleansers for me, so that's why I picked this up. I'm excited to try these out. Next, I also got some Tula products. Oh my gosh, Tula. Oh my gosh, Tula. Right? Like, everyone's been going crazy about Tula, I feel like. But anyway, so I'm trying out Tula products. First thing is the Purifying Face Cleanser. Also, I have this Tula 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. So this I will be using day and night, and I'm excited about it because it also includes turmeric. That's what really got me sold, because I was like, anything with turmeric I have to get, because I know turmeric is good for my skin. Whenever I use it, it always like brightens my face. Like, all my dark spots, they are just like really fade away. So I got these together, and the Dermalogica skincare products, and I have another skincare product that I got today. Getting into this bag now. I'm just gonna like reach in and grab stuff. So in this bag I also got some things like for clients as well. So that's why I have two of these. Urban Decay Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. I will always use this setting spray. it's a ride or die. So I got 2 of these, one for myself, one for my clients. Oh, more skincare. I got Dermalogica pre-cleanse, and this is what you use before you wash your face. Like if you have on makeup or you just feel like your face is really dirty, you use a pre-cleanse first, and then you wash your face with like the clay cleanser or the Tula cleanser. I don't know, whichever one I feel like using, I guess. I'm gonna try this tonight actually to remove this makeup that I have on, and yeah, hopefully it works out. Another thing from Pattern, I also got these Pattern, they're like heat packets. It's jojoba oil hair serum, self-heating packs. If I try these out, I'll probably do like a little Instagram story video on it. So, you know, definitely follow my Instagram, and that will be down in the description box. I also got some liner, and these are e.l.f. liners. I got 2, one for me, one for my clients. While we're talking about liners, I got a, oh wait, I actually got 2 of these. One for me, one for my clients. So I got this NYX white eyeliner. They're retractable. The white waterline is like really popular. I know I would like to do it, so I've been trying to find a white eyeliner that would work, and I hope these work. A lot of them, when I use them, they like just rub off, or they're not really pigmented. So I'm like, what the hell? Well, this is NYX, so it better be pigmented. All right, so I also got some more stuff for clients. These are the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definers, and this is the color Auburn, and this is the color Soft Brown. But this is Anastasia lip gloss, and this is in the color Warm Bronze, and it looks like this. Ooh, ooh la la. Sorry, I'm really happy I got this. I also got Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Dusty Rose. This one right here. I hope this isn't too like pink to wear for me, but if it is, that's okay. I kind of just wanted more lip colors for clients as well too. Moving on. I got some Kylie lip kits, and I got the shade Posy K and also Dazzle. Posy K, that's what this is. Okay, hopefully this is not too bright for me. You know, if it is, whatever. The liner looks like that can work. I also got the shade Dazzle. A little razzle dazzle. Ooh, this seems like a more coral type of color, to be honest. This liner and this liquid lipstick. So that is that. There's still more, you guys. I'm almost done though. It's only 2 more things, and then that's it. Boom, 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 boom. Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette. So I am so excited. I'm not really happy about this packaging though. I don't like this velvet stuff. Yes. Okay, good thing the brush didn't fall out. But here are these colors. OMG. OMG. Oh, they're beautiful. I can't wait to do looks with these. You guys can't wait for me to do looks with these. Everyone's gonna be happy. One more product for you guys. This is the last thing. Ever since I started working at Ulta, I wanted this serum, you guys. This serum has changed my freaking life, you guys. It is the Sunday Riley Serum CEO Glow, okay? Vitamin C and turmeric face oil. You guys, if you have dark spots, this is gonna work for you. And I've been trying it out before now. Like, I've tried it out. I've had like little sample sizes. I still have one little sample size, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get the big thing now. I'm ready for it. I can't wait to use this more often, more frequently. I don't even know how to open this, you guys. Oh shit, hold on. check out this product. Ah! Oh my gosh, you guys, I did not know it was gonna look this bomb. Girl, this look expensive. And it was. I'm gonna open it and like smell it because it smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be looking so freaking healthy with this serum, you guys. I just feel like serums and moisture is just I just love it. This and this moisturizer together, I am about to be like popping. My skincare has been pretty good lately. I've like really been appreciating my no makeup days because, you know, you gotta give your skin, you gotta give your face a rest. Like, I know we love the makeup and everything, I love the makeup, but honestly, I really only wear it when I'm filming a video for YouTube, or like now, I only did my makeup for YouTube, and now it's like, I don't know, what time is it? It's 9:37, so I might go do something and I might not, we'll see, but you know, probably not. I'm probably just gonna wash my face and like do some business I gotta do. I wanna thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know what you guys are most excited about seeing me use. What makeup pieces are you excited about? If you guys want to see a skincare routine, definitely leave that down below. I'm just gonna probably stick to makeup, you know, for now, but you know, if you want to see it, leave a comment for sure and I will do it for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, you thought I was gonna let you go without saying it. No, I was not. Definitely subscribe to my channel, you guys, and then you'll be able to watch me again and again and again. So give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. That's your homework, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
And that foe be the tribe. Hey, I'm in the bay, there goes riding my whip. I almost crashed my car, but we still getting